favorite pilot of all time.
Where is he, Sky?
Right here.
You gonna meet him?
Hi.
Hi, what's your name? Sky? Cool. Well, it's nice to meet you, Sky. This is Robert. He's my co-pilot.
Hi, Robert.
You want a picture? What's your, how do you spell this? S-K-Y?
Yeah.
Okay.
Matt's a lefty too, dude.
Awesome.
Right-minded.
That's true.
There you go. Are you going to stick around for the night show tonight?
Yeah.
Should be good weather for it.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Something else for you.
Show me what you got there, Sky.
Picture.
Awesome, dude.
Yeah. Here's our YouTube channel.
Oh, cool.
We brought you one too.
Hey, look at that. Isn't that cool? Thank you.
You should put that in your box.
Yeah. Right.
You're our favorite performer. We never miss it.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
Cool, Sky.